everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! If you're a Discord Nitro subscriber, or you're thinking about getting it, there's a limited time exclusive you need to grab now. Discord has given Nitro a brand new look, and to celebrate, they're offering the Nitro Jetpack Profile Bundle. This is a celebratory, limited edition cosmetic set that includes 3 items: an avatar decoration, a profile effect, and a custom nameplate. It features that new spacey, blurple, and teal color scheme. The key detail is the deadline. This bundle must be claimed by September 30th. After that, it will be gone and you won't be able to get it. So, who's eligible? Anyone with an active, recurring Nitro subscription that includes monthly, yearly, and even those on a Nitro trial. You can also claim it if you sign up for Nitro right now. Speaking of which, I would like to add one more thing. Discord is giving away a free 1-month Nitro. It's a trial. I had made a video on it yesterday, where I received a few comments that I want to address. This kid whose name is exclam3l4c says, free Nitro trial is only for the new accounts, and I am clickbaiting people. Sure, I will show you how old my account is September 14th, 2020. Now let's go to the Nitro page. See, 1-month free Nitro offer. So maybe exclam, blazingoof, Alcanox. The only things are clickbait, scam, and lie are your miserable lives. Maybe just hand your phones back to your mommies and stick to watching Cartoon Network, something that suits you better. Kids like you always join my Discord server to beg for free Nitro. Anyway, this free Nitro trial is available for only 8 days, which far exceeds Nitro bundle offer. As to why a few others haven't received this offer, I have no clue. You should ask Discord, not me. But I think you might have had Nitro recently since Discord has a rule that you shouldn't have Nitro for more than 12 months. Another reason could be, you're from one of the banned countries where Discord is banned. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to tell you about the new profile bundle offer and to address a few hate comments that I received in my previous video. Nope, that wasn't a clickbait, it was what Discord offered me. But anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server now.